Pour mo na yung cheese.
See that?
Maglagay ka ng cheese.
You can see that.
So, kailan ba niya kinuha yun? Saturday na. More. Come on, more. Oops, sama na. That's enough. Oh, cheese. Parmesan. What did you put? What did you put? Ano nilagay mo?
It is cheese, parmesan. Parmesan cheese.
Wow.
Craft.
Ang sarap naman yan. Grabe. Nakakagutom.
Yeah. I like to eat it now. Because it's,
We have to boil the pasta first.
I think I want
Alright, that's enough. Stop stirring na. Bring to boil again. Then we're done.
the ball.
Wow, look at that. Delicious.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay, what can you say about your cooking?
Maybe it is delicious and looks like
Alright, looks like what?
yeah, this is the same.
What did you learn about cooking? Easy, hard,
Easy.
easy. And did you enjoy? Did you have fun?
Enjoy
Alright.
cooking this. Yeah, it's really to boil.
Let's do it some other time again.
First, and look at that. You can zoom it.
No, don't. Huwag mo zoom. Kaya labo.
See that?
Sarap. Delicious talaga.
Delish.
Okay, stop na. Tara na.
Delicioso.